Kani kediga Batisi TV, mat pidang pek yaki kubur baman kasni, belawan rasha pida ka Orange Nissan Loom Sopo near Fire Brigade Shillong, ringkat bat ka eco-friendly enterprise, ki plakot nagbenta ki jingdon kam hakasong, bat kara karong.
Watla ka jela Meghalaya kalapan kre ba nakabenta ban priang ye ka National Games ka ban Salong House nam Arhajar Arpuar Henry kini ke jingpan kre jong ka sarkar ya kini ke lempong ye lekai ka nang slam shushu namar ba ka sarkar kalahap ban pala jimot shua ya menta syaka kot ka khia jong ki pait ba ban ya daru na ka jing sapriang uknyang jingpang coronavirus. O menteri rang ba kani ke jela ukonrat kongkal sangma ha ka jingkren bat ka Batisi TV ulai tu ba ka jela menta ka ikendu mau siang ba ban penkre na ka benta ka National Games Henry wala ka taru ulaong bagi projek ba ka sarkar kalabo thong ban pendap kin sa urlong tang su pendap iki jingdon kambaro.
I think obviously we have been very clear that everything is important. The health was a priority for all of us including the whole nation. And so therefore, yes, there have been a lot of challenges when it came to development projects, social schemes, and other infrastructural projects that we're working. I hope that we'll be able to now pick up those projects. We still need to make sure that a lot of the protocols are maintained in this construction work. So therefore, construction work has started, and including the project for the National Games also. I hope that within the next month, we should be able to finish all the necessary formalities, and even work should be allotted maybe in about a month, 15 or 45 days time. With that in mind, of course, we have to see now how things will happen. Sporting events are going to be a challenge now. We don't know how it's going to be in the future. So we will have to see regarding that aspect, and that's something that will be decided more at the national level. But from our side, we will ensure that all the work that is there required for the National Games, we will continue our efforts to ensure that we complete them on time. So yes, we have lost a few months, but I'm still hopeful that from the infrastructural point of view, we still will be able to create all the infrastructures on time. But regarding the games, it's something that is not within our jurisdiction as such, so that we'll have to wait for the Indian Olympic Association and also the Government of India to decide.